Thank you. We've got a move of about 5% on the likes of Google. Alphabet up by 4.5%. Both companies, Alphabet and Microsoft, reporting double-digit revenue growth. The challenging macro conditions, Microsoft highlighted many of them: unfavorable foreign exchange, extended production shutdowns in China, take your pick, reduction in ad spend, the ongoing war in Ukraine, tons of it. Does this set the tone for what we could hear from Apple, Amazon and Meta still to come? Let's get to Kaylee Lyons for more. Hey, Kaylee.
Hey, John. Well, it's certainly setting the tone for the broader market today because, of course, these are two giants. They're the second and fifth largest weightings in both the S&P 500 and the NASDAQ. So no surprise, given that the stocks are moving higher off the back of these better than feared results, you're seeing a nice lift for the broader market as well, with the NASDAQ 100 up about 1.6%. Now, of course, Microsoft, as Katie alluded to, the optimism is coming from stronger than expected guidance. It expects revenue and operating income to grow by double digits again in fiscal 2023. My producer Pete was asking me earlier, how could a company that large continue to grow in double digits? It's really quite remarkable. Now, for Alphabet, you did have revenue coming in line, advertising spending hanging in there, which could be a signal that A, Google as a larger company is just better positioned than smaller rivals like Snap and Twitter to withstand a pullback in marketing spending, and B, it's noteworthy that the strength came from search ads, not from YouTube, which is more socially oriented. On YouTube, ad revenue was actually only up about 4.8% relative to the near 12% year-on-year growth that Google search saw. And it's the weakness in social ads in particular that is worth paying attention to as we look ahead to Meta's results after the bell today, because they're dealing not just with a slowdown in advertising broadly, but also competition from the likes of TikTok and those privacy rule changes on Apple that have dogged them for some time. Now, we're gearing up for maybe a big move from Meta, about 12.5 percentage points plus or minus after the bell, even though that's a little bit less than the average move is what is implied by options at this point. And of course, we'll also get Qualcomm after the bell, then Apple and Amazon coming on Thursday. And Amazon, remember, is a growing player in the ad space. So it'll be interesting to see what the read-through is to that company as we also look for clues around the consumer, especially in light of the news from Walmart yesterday, Sean.
Kelly, thank you.